Hey, this is Loon over here, and yeah, this video is to be regarding on how to create an email automations in System IO. I'll walk you through, guys, step by steps. And before this, if you are the first time watching my channels, and this channels is more on online sellings, marketing, on the sales funnels. Okay, and today's we're hopping to the System IO. So in email automations, okay, we will have two places, right? One is the newsletters, and one is a campaign. So what newsletters and the campaigns, what the differences is? If for the newsletters, okay, it's more on we need to send somebody else the emails, like I want to send to your audience that something is coming up. Okay, you are probably you want to launch something, and you want to let them know that the date and newsletters is you can create it. It's just a one time. It's not a recurring. No, just a one time. But in System IO, it will just pop up, and let me show you, walk you through this. For newsletters, your conditions over here is you need already become those your audience need to be in your email list. Okay, meaning to say that it must already been tagged, it must already been in your contact, in your list, so that you have all these tag in order to for them to send the newsletters able to send. Okay, for newsletters, the good news is it can be saved. It can be scheduled. It can be scheduled for the newsletters when you want to send over, or you can customize the date, right? So I will just try to one of the ebooks. Okay, let's say I want to send to my ebooks, and then I will just put this. Okay, for those affiliates, okay, I want to send an email. Okay, you just put on to save and schedule. Okay, so over here, you will have the time. Okay, so I'm here in with the Asia or Singapore time zone, and you can set up through here. So you can view on what's the time zone you are in, so you can send to web. Okay, and then you can click send now, or it can be scheduled. And this is the newsletters. So for email campaigns is slightly different. Email campaign is more on the campaigns that you have been automated. Okay, what the meaning is. When we hop on to the funnels, okay, we have all the build an audience. Okay, let's take examples of building an audience, and then we hop on to the take a sample for it. Yeah, so in automations rule, okay, we need to click on the automations rule over here. So there will be add rules, and then mostly for the funnels that people already subscribed. So we need to add actions, and then we need to click on this subscribe to a campaign. Okay, when you click on subscribe to a campaign, means that once people they hop into your funnels, they have a general you guys have been collected emails with that exchange. Usually these emails we call it lead funnels. Sorry, the lead funnels. In order we provide something values to people in an exchange of their email sequence. Email list. Okay, so they provide you the email list, and this will be the campaigns they're running. Okay, if you are going to target to sell in something in futures, and these campaigns you can be run it 10, 20, or even 30, or even unlimited email over. Okay, it depends on what you created, right? So if you are looking for the campaigns, probably you are does not have any, because I have created inside the campaigns over here. If you don't have it, you go into a campaign and then you create a new one. Okay, so I will create a test over here. Okay, once you create a test, and then you can edit the campaign. Okay, or you can just add an email. Okay, so we start to add the emails. So let's say email 1. Usually we will get on, hey, thank you for subscribing, or thank you for your emails, and here is your free ebooks, or here is your free link magnets that you have input in your funnels. So this is the content that you may put it, you may attach in your ebooks over here, or any documents, or the cheat sheet, or the PDF. You can put it on the attachments, so it will jump onto the attachment. So another method will be you put it on the link. So when people click on the links, they will jump to your shared drive or jump to your Google Drive in order to access the ebooks or the things that you have been giveaway, right? So this will be the emails. So once we click on save and publish, okay, there will be a few ways for here. When you start the first emails, you must put on 0. Okay, put on 0, and then after will be put it on the blank, and you put on publish. Okay, sorry, I need to write something here. Pass, and then the first emails will be 0. Okay, we create about the next email. So the next emails, I put it on email to. For email to, yeah, has to, and then this will be starting for we click on the day. Okay, after they have been sending the first email, so we need to click after the first email. Okay, after the first email, after 1 day, these emails only will be automated to send it out, right? So remember that you can create this unlimited emails as you want. Okay, and some of you were asking, hey Loon, if I already done that funnel, I already created this emails campaign, but I want to add it on. Okay, will my old subscribers peoples will be getting the email? And the answer is yes. Okay, once we add in on, okay, it will follow the emails that they will directly send out first to your old subscribers person, and the comings they will follow the sequence that you create. Okay, it can be how many days you delay. It can be 1 week delays, or you don't like to feel so scammy, so you can send it on a few days, right, over. And this is the sequence that you can create it in emails. So for final places, we can go on to the automate as and remember, you guys need to save it. Okay, I will just put on, and then I need to save this rule so that the persons will get the email after they subscribe to your funnels. So I hope these videos help you guys, and see you to my next videos. And if you guys have any comments, or if you want like me to share more about the other videos, put it out in the comments. And if you guys want to get my free ebooks, okay, and you guys can go to www.clientattractionsecrets.com/get ebooks. I will give away one of the ebooks that I personally share through my experience on how you can get clients organically. And I will see you in the next videos. Bye.